Welcome back to Father and Son Fix. In this episode, we're going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on your Mercedes E-Class. This also applies to the C-Class, and it's a very simple design. The trick is to get the wipers to stop in the right location. So we're going to show you how to do that first. Inside the car, you need to have the wipers running and then turn the car off to pause them in the middle. So first, turn the wipers on, or to the on position. It's easiest if it's in the slowest position. Then, you're going to turn the key on to the second position to trigger the wipers. Okay, so here it goes to the second position. The wipers are moving, and then you're going to turn the key off to catch them right in the middle. And take the key out. Now you can tilt the wiper blade up, and here's where it's really easy. First, check to make sure you have the replacement wiper blade lined up facing in the same direction. Okay, simple enough. Everything matches up. Now, set that aside, and then take the old blade and simply tilt it and slide it off to the right. Pretty simple. Now we like to put a little bit of silicone or dielectric grease. Any silicone grease will do. Not too much because you don't want it on the windshield. And that just helps the blades move freely on that pivot point. Now to replace, you just slide the blade right back on. Then tilt it up and gently place it back on the windshield. Now here's a bonus for those of you that have a Wagon. This is how you're going to do it on the rear blade on the Wagon. It's a little bit trickier here. The piece is going to have a little tab that you need to depress and then pull the blade towards the wiper arm to release it. Press the tab right there. That's it. So you're going to depress that tab while you pull the wiper blade towards the wiper arm. And we've got some gloves on so we don't get our fingers pinched there where the tab connects into the metal. And there, as you start to wiggle it carefully, once the tab is released, you'll see it slides right off like that. We like to use the Bosch. There's other manufacturers. The Bosch has worked out well for us. You're not going to need the extra parts. Simply take the replacement blade and you're going to hook it over the little arm to get the piece to line up. And the same way that it came off, you're going to pull it. Now this time, instead of pulling it towards the wiper arm, you're going to pull away and keep pulling. It's not quite on yet. And watch your thumb there. Keep pulling until you hear it snap or click into place. You'll feel the difference. You can also pull it that way, and there you go. That's the full connection right there where it's fully seated. And you can see the tab is connected securely in the wiper arm. And simply rotate it back down and place it gently on the hatch, and you're all set. Let us know your model of Mercedes down in the comments. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day.